Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mikis Auto Tools. In the previous video, I showed you how to automatically post videos to Facebook fan pages with Shopee affiliate links using our MKT app software. In today's video, I'll guide you on how to automatically post YouTube Shorts videos with affiliate product links attached, including automatic product cart links. Before we get into the main content, let's start with a quick intro. After opening the software, you'll see the YouTube Shorts posting feature. For the posting setup, I recommend always setting the action interval between 60 to 120 seconds to keep your accounts safe. The retry setting should remain at around 20 times. Here, you can choose how many videos each account will post and also configure automatic comments after posting. You can prepare comment templates in advance, and the system will automatically post them after each video is uploaded. Next, you'll add your email account, and the software will automatically scan and display all YouTube channels connected to that email. I'll demonstrate this in more detail in the next video. You can also assign specific videos to specific channels. For example, one channel can post videos about one niche, while another channel posts different content. This is extremely useful when you manage multiple channels across different niches. Normally, uploading shorts manually requires switching between channels, uploading videos one by one, and entering captions repeatedly, which takes a lot of time. With this software, you can upload videos to multiple channels in bulk automatically. The system also automatically attaches your affiliate links, as long as your channel is eligible for monetization and link features. The result works just like manual posting, but fully automated. Once everything is set up, you simply let the software run. You can focus on other work, build more channels, meet clients, or even relax while the system handles posting automatically for you. This saves a huge amount of time and increases your productivity. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to watch more upcoming tutorials. See you in the next video.